Achije abich ondhi kendo obila makorol 70 mag njaga ka obila chichni. Ma en yo ma jo ohand yedhe mameroji tiyogo e yawo yore manyien mag ohand njaga e kaunti ma Kisii. Kinde apedha mar duol makedo kod yedhe mameroji pacho ka mong'ere kaka NACADA kod tend bad migawo mar arita okwach kich otimo apedha e kar dak ma jok villa mayudore e boma ma Kisii bang' yudo maling'ling' kowuok kuom jopiny kendo dhiyo yedhe go. Kaluwore kod jatend chenro makamano mar duol ma NACADA Nicholas Koech, jopiny okwa mondo omed chiwo maling'ling' motenore kod chenro mag uso mag yedhe mameroji e kuonde dak.
As you are all aware, as per the county police commander, in April we made a very huge raid here, a sting operation, and it's before court. But unfortunately, we are still receiving the same complaints of the same habitual offender. So I want to really and sincerely thank the public for sharing information. We as NACADA act promptly on complaints. Kindly still forward the same to our office for action.
At this home, we have arrested 5 suspects that we found at the scene, and upon carrying out search at this particular home, we were in a position to recover 79 brooms of suspected cannabis sativa, which is a drug, a motorbike, which we believe was being used to ferry these commodities, and again the rolling materials for the bank that was recovered in this particular crime scene.